If you have a desktop computer at home and you want some quality audio to come out of it, whether you're playing games or watching videos, look no further because I've partnered up with Creative to show you guys this product. This is the Pebble X Plus. Today we're going to do some tests and see what it's all about, so at the end of this video you can see if these are the right ones for your computer. In the box, it'll come with two USB-C cords, one for your power and one for the USB PD, which we'll get to in a minute. Your quick start guide, one 3.5mm aux cord, your two Pebble speakers, and the subwoofer. Opening up the box, I feel like it was very well packaged. Creative definitely came prepared to show off their product. But now that we got it out of the box, let's take a closer look at the speakers to see what we got on our hands. On the left one, you can see the speaker itself and the Creative logo right underneath it. And on the right one, you have your LED light indicator, your volume up and down, which can also be used to turn your brightness up and down for the LED lights around the speaker. Next to it, there's a button where you can switch between Bluetooth, USB, and your auxiliary, and you have a button to switch the pattern of your LED lights so you can customize it to your liking. On the right, you have a 3.5mm port for your headphones and microphone. On the back of the speaker, you have your auxiliary input, your USB-C for your power, and a USB-C PD input so you can get the most power out of your speaker. Looking at your subwoofer, it's got your speaker up front, your passive radiators on the side so it can give your driver more of a bass response. On the bottom it has rubber legs to keep the sub in place. And on the back, that's where your RCA cable is going to plug in to power up the subwoofer. The Pebble speakers are looking great so far, but it gets even better with the features that it comes with. Like Bluetooth 5.3, you have customizable RGB lighting, and the Creative app, where you can customize the colors of the LED lights to your liking. Now I'm going to show you what the application looks like. So you have different controls on the lighting. For example, there's a setting called Chasers, and there's a few other ones that you can do in here, including one called Cycle. In addition to that, you can change the speed of the pattern, and you could choose the brightness of the light. But this is my favorite one. It's called Peak Meter. So I turn on the computer so I can show you guys. It is worth mentioning that if you want the best sound and the most power going to your speakers, you're going to need a wall charger that's at least 30 watts. And with that, when you plug it into the USB-C PD port on the back, you will get the best sound that the speaker has to offer. In my opinion, with the addition of the subwoofer, it's going to make your sound experience a whole lot better. It gives you that boom and bass, especially if you have your computer set up in the corner of your room somewhere. But let's say you take it to somewhere bigger like your living room. Don't expect it to have too much bass because it is a smaller subwoofer. With that being said, while the speakers were still connected to the computer, I decided to test it a little more. I did some gameplay so I could show you guys what it would sound like when you're playing a video game. Playing the game, my biggest takeaway is that the sound quality sounded great. I had no latency issues, the quality was crisp, the bass was booming. Overall, a great gaming experience. If you got a computer set up at home and you want some quality audio because you're not really liking the audio coming from the monitor, the Pebble X Plus is here to solve that problem. From my experience, when I was using it, the two speakers on the sides really immersed me to whatever I'm watching, even in the game. On top of that, you got your color changing RGB lights on the speakers, which you can also customize through the app. And you could have multiple uses for the speaker like auxiliary and Bluetooth. Creative took personalizing to another level. So that's all you need to know about the Creative Pebble X Plus computer speakers. If you're interested to learn more about the speakers, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this. And I will catch you guys on the next one.